Who else remembers our famous diet, aka Pancake, back then in primary school and secondary school? Hey, these snacks literally made me to trek from school to my house because I always snack on it. So let's make it together. In my blender, I added some all-purpose flour, and then I added 2 eggs. I also added some milk. I added a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt, and then I went in with some nutmeg powder. I also added some water in order to help the blender. And guys, I was about to blend, but this blender decided to get on my nerves. It stopped working, so I transferred to another blender and I blended off camera. So at this point, I poured the batter into my bowl, and then I added the chopped pepper, and I added some chopped onions also. We are making diet, of course, so I mixed everything thoroughly for all of them to combine, and then I set to frying the diet. I added some oil into my pan, and then I started frying little by little. So at this point, I was already perceiving that smell, and it brought back so many memories. So guys, tell me in the comment section, are you going to be trying this again? Did you enjoy it back then in primary and secondary school? Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you people on the next one. Bye.